Welcome back to Mustache Moto. It's Ben, and if you've watched my channel, you know I'm a big fan of these Viver tire braking, bead braking levers. They really were the best option, the best thing I found for breaking the bead on a tire, and they worked remarkably well. But I got a lot of comments from people that said the only reason they work so well is because the tire hadn't been on the rim very long. And I was mounting it and then taking it off, mounting it and taking it off. So this tire has been on the rim for almost a year. I'm going to use the levers. Let's see how hard it is. See if it actually is as good as I think they are. So let's give it a shot. All right, sorry about that. I'm sure that was obnoxiously loud. First lever. Let's see if I can get it underneath. All right, that's in. Second lever is in. It's slipped, but it's about 90% off. I'm just going to spin it a little bit and try it right here. We'll do it a second place. It's off. I mean, all I can say, it's been on for a year. Took me what, less than a minute, maybe 45 seconds to take that off. That's the way I'm going to do it. I mean, I love it. These things really do work well. Let's prove it. I'll flip it over and break the bead on this side too. Probably the hardest part is right here. Weaseling it in, but it's not that hard. So I'm going to just push it in a little bit further now that I've got it mostly loose. Rotate it a little bit. It's not quite off. So it took a couple more tries on this side. But really not extremely difficult. There we go. Done. Put some new tires on, then get out there and ride.